A former Savannah officer indicted by a special grand jury, now awaiting trial on criminal charges. His lawyer says those charges against Sergeant Mike Arango should have never been brought in the first place.
Obviously, of the position, my client is absolutely innocent, and there's no crime in this case.
Michael Schiavone stands behind his statements before the grand jury set down its decision. What then Sergeant Mike Arango did that day in April was part of his job, not worth firing and not a criminal act.
Absolutely innocent. It's inconceivable to me that 12 people would find anyone guilty under these circumstances.
Arango was officially indicted on a felony charge of false imprisonment for violating the personal liberty of Daryl Fatel and a misdemeanor of simple battery for hitting Fatel in the head during a warrant sweep. Fatel was not the person the SIS warrant squad was looking for.
And those are not criminal acts. I mean, they have the lawful authority to tell people to do certain things when they're executing a lawful order of the court.
And Schiavone believes an investigation not led by Savannah police but by the GBI, which is normal procedure in cases like this, would have determined that.
I think that if there had been an outside agency that criminally investigated this, there would not have been any recommendation of a criminal case.
He lays blame for Arango's firing and indictment directly in the lap of Chief Roy Minter.
You know, he took advantage of his officers in a number of ways, including pushing this case toward the district attorney and placed the district attorney in a position to where they had no other choice probably than to present it to a grand jury.
This could be a long wait for Arango and for the state. With the backup in cases that have come while the courts have been closed from COVID, no one expects this case to go to trial for potentially 2 more years. Andrew Davis, WSAV News 3, on your side.